और सीधे आपको लिए चलते हैं राज्यसभा, जहां पर असदुद्दीन ओवैसी वंदे मातरम मुद्दे पर चर्चा।
2003 NRC rules section 4 subsection 2 3 4 5 6 prescribe just such an exercise of election citizenship to be conducted by central government. How is it the ECI is assuming the power given to another agency of parliament just by passing as you order? This is an occupied field. The ECI has no role to intervene. Sir, as per the ECI release, 65 lakh voters were included, whose names were included in the electoral roll after the commencement of SR exercise omitted from draft roll published on August 1, 2025. After that, sir, several lakh voters where names were included draft roll were served with show cause notice. I have the copy of show cause notice that doubts had arisen on their right to be included in the electoral roll, and they were asked to appear in person with documents to prove that they were entitled to be included in the electoral roll. Sir, on what basis did the ECI issue these notices? How did the doubt arouse? Form 6 rule has been passed by this August House. How can the ECI do it? They are violating the sanctity of a law that is passed in this August House, sir. Eventually 3.66 lakh such persons were deleted from the electoral roll with no order made available in the public domain giving the reason for deletion. Sir, under the SIR order, these persons are to be referred to authorities tribunal dealing with illegal foreign migration. Now, sir, look at this, what the government is supporting the ECI. When this 3.66 lakh such persons deleted, the government immediately, which was the draft was published on 30th August and finally 30th September, this government came out with the new Immigration and Foreigners Act 2025 and was notified, and an Immigration Foreigners Exemption Order 2025 cemetery is promulgated the same day. Under this order, sir, no action under Foreigners Act will be taken against illegal entry, presence for citizens of Nepal, Bhutan, Tibet and Sri Lanka, Tamils, in addition to persons other than Muslims belonging to Afghanistan, Pakistan, Bangladesh. Sir, when Supreme Court is seized on the petition of CAA, government issues a foreign exemption order. Why? Because they realize that in this 3.66 lakh there can be people more than the non-Muslims also to protect them. You have done it, and then after 5 years of CAA, you will give them citizenship. That is why I say that this whole exercise, sir, I'm concluding, sir. This is why I say this whole exercise is a backdoor NRC. Sir, Ambedkar was asked, is India's democracy? He said only in formal sense. To be democracy in the substantial sense, political power was held by the most marginalized and the weakest. He repeatedly said political power is the key to social progress. You have only 4% Muslims over here. The ruling party has no Muslim member. If Lok Sabha increase representation of OBCs and the upper caste is there, now it is at the cost of whom? Muslims are not there. They're not being reflected in the secular parties. For example, if Muslim majority seats like Wayanad can elect non-Muslims, surely Rai Bareli, Amethi, Ottawa can elect Muslims, sir. And now coming to this electors, sir. We are only become electors. We are not getting elected. Please coming, sir. I'm concluding, sir. Give me 2 minutes, sir. Please, sir. Now coming to this whole donations, BJP got 88% of donations, sir. Nearly 2,243 crores. So we the people is now represented by We the Private Limited. I would request this ruling party to please consider adopting a mixed member parliamentary system like Germany. Each voter has 2 votes, one for their MP and one for a political party. A tally is done. First, all local winners get seats, and the rest of seats are filled with the overall number of seats. Each party has matches roughly percentage. Secondly, sir, delimitation. Don't do delimitation like what you have done in Kashmir and in Assam. Because if BJP is delimitation another game, it has to win, then the loser is going to other political parties. But the loser will be country is democracy. Sir, right to vote. Ambedkar called it a principal theory of the Constitution. I would demand, I have put a private bill last assembly, the age of contesting elections for MLA and Lok Sabha should be brought down to 20. Rajya Sabha 25, for Vidhan Sabha 22. Why? Because, sir, we have 52% of India's population under the age of 30. What are we giving to them? So that is why I propose. And lastly,
Thank
sir,
you.
and I'm including this. Lastly, sir. Sir, I'm just concluding, sir. Lastly, sir, we must build a consensus and make right to vote a fundamental right. I oppose the SIR. This is nothing but backdoor NRC. This is exercise, a selective exercise to disenfranchise people in the name of religion. Thank you, sir.
सभापति जी धन्यवाद। आज का विषय देश के करोड़ों मतदाताओं के सम्मान और उनके